It was a cold start to Friday, but we were here nice and early, and we came along to have a look at the Black Cat Roundabout. I got the nod that the big king lifting crane had arrived, but the first thing to have a look at is those A421 works. This is the A421 running into the new flyover. This is the existing road that's currently closed. You see these huge embankment walls have been built up, and they're really concentrating on building that soil up and building this new route into the A421 Flyover, which will carry the traffic over the top of the A1, over the top of the new Black Cat Roundabout, and through down to Cambridge. So you've got that huge bit of earthworks going on at the moment as they build up that new route into the flyover itself. But looking across the site now, you can see bridge beams galore have gone in. We're at maybe one for that centre to go in, will be the final one. And then sitting on the truck on the far side, you've got one of the shorter beams, I think it was, to put into place. I was told the beam that you can see there on the floor was meant to be lifted yesterday, but there'd been an issue with the paperwork, so it had to stay sat on the ground until today. Lots of work. Looks like the final deck might be going on this southern bridge, which will allow the temporary road there to be moved over. And that far side looks like it's had a bit of progress on it, but the key thing this week was the arrival of the second crane to get the bridge finished to carry the A421 over. Now it does not look as wide, does it, as the A421 flyover to the left there, so I guess there's going to be a sort of narrowing into the flyover bridge, but it does look the same width as the one on the right. So maybe there'll be a sort of narrowing as you come across the top. It'd be interesting to see how it's built. And there's the bottom flyover of the new Black Cat Roundabout. So the A1 will be lowered underneath these bridges and go through to the southbound. And you can also see the roller there starting to create that new underpass, which will carry the A1 down to the south. So we're looking north at the moment for anyone who is trying to keep up with the orientation. And there you can see that new underpass. Like I said, the level underneath still needing removing, and also this temporary road which was constructed so they could remove the Black Cat Roundabout. You do still see odd bits of it as the drone passes over the top, but those little bits seeming to getting less and less each time. I think there's one on the left hand side, a little bit of concrete you can see where the Bedford Road exit is. As we move closer there, you can see the person still working, and this video is going to really hopefully counter off the people who say that no one is working on the site. So this was about, I think it was about 7:45. Now there is people working already, and as you'll see in a moment, there is a huge amount of traffic on the far side, but that new underpass there, looking like the concrete abutments on either side are both complete now. We saw the concrete being poured on the final one last week, and it looks like the top also looking complete. Maybe the final surface, I think there's another surface up on the top of all the bridges that hasn't been done yet, needs to be put in place. It's good to meet another subscriber today while filming this. If you do see me out and about, do come and say hello, and I do like to chat about what we're doing, what we're filming, so always quite nice to meet you. So if you do see me, come and say hello. But yeah, you can see that beam sat on the back of the truck there, waiting to be lifted, and I'm told it was lifted later on Friday, and it's now in place with the rest of the beams to go in place. The last centre beam to be lifted, and then that middle crane will go with just this last huge crane putting these smaller ones in place. The other Black Cat Bridge on the right here looks to be catching up, doesn't it? So, you know, this was well behind the starting point, so hasn't got the concrete abutments on either side, but we'll see those. Like I said, you've still got those piles there, haven't you? There's what, 3, 6, 9 between the two bridges, all still to be exposed. And it looks like there's a couple on the left-hand bridge as well, where that person's walking. There's a couple of piles left there, so obviously integral to the design. Wonder what they'll be for. We'll soon see though. We'll be back probably every week until these 3 bridges are built, and then while the underpass is being built, we'll probably move down to a less frequent visit. But while the interesting bit's going on, we'll be here every week as we can with the weather, and I'll keep bringing you these updates and footage as the bridges are built in the centre of the Black Cat Roundabout. But like I said, expect that final bit to be put into place next week, and these left-hand side, as we're looking at it, there's going to be 4 left to put in place. I expect by next weekend, when I come along and film, they'll all be in place. So there we are. Look, people say there's nobody at work here. This is before 8 a.m. You can see lots of yellow jackets. People everywhere, like ants down there, aren't they? And plenty of work going on. Like I said, people keep telling me there's no one here. Suddenly there's bridges appearing. I don't know how they think they're being built. And the crane bursts into life as well while we're still on site filming. So as we pass around the back, looking south, not going to have a look down there today at the marina or anything. We'll have a quick look at the underpass and the works that are going on a bit further down there. The right hand side, look at the underpass wall. Still none of that has been built. I guess that's because it's been used as an access route, but they're still taking the soil away a little bit further down behind where the drone is. And I think we'll soon see the right hand side wall starting to take shape. But the key point today was to have a look at these bridges and get some footage of these huge cranes that were here at the Black Cat. The other thing, like I said, was the works to the north of the site, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. But the south side there, also a hive of activity, isn't it? Where they're starting to create that underpass. That to me suggests all of that utilities work that have delayed the project itself might now be over. They do seem to be working quite keenly on that. There is one section which possibly looks like it's been undisturbed. Now, when I took the pictures, I always take pictures first to get an idea of what's changed. This part of the site was really busy. So, of course, I spin the drone around and nothing was happening. So, when I finished the video, I came back and I'll just pop that bit of video in the moment. But this part here, really, really busy. Now, they've clearly made that entrance off the A1 South on the right-hand side into site. And you'll see here a number of dump trucks now getting filled. 1, 2, 3. As if by magic, here comes a different bit of footage. And you can see now they're filling all these tippers. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the right, you can see the other one coming in. So you've got this sort of plant entrance, which we mentioned a few weeks ago would be created. They come in and they go off. But watch what happens here. So you've got 1, 2, 3. Then a 4th one arrives. A 5th, 6th one even. And suddenly you've got a car avoiding it. Luckily nothing to its left. And a little bit there of maybe a little bit of bad traffic management. But like I said, suddenly it was clear. Everything was fine. So, yeah, the plant entrance causing a bit of chaos there in the rush hour. Car clearly not expecting the tipper to be moving in. And then on the south side, also excavation ongoing to create that new underpass. You can see the tippers arriving down and going through, being filled and returning to the northbound carriageway. So lots of trucks moving around now. I wonder if they're the ones that we saw a few weeks ago down in Little Barford. They were appearing there, weren't they, and tipping, I think, from memory. So that's maybe where that's going. You can see the tipper moving down. So you've got this area down here. Now, this looks like they haven't touched this section yet. Maybe that's where the utilities are. Maybe it's just a force not to be touched. But maybe that's where the utilities were discovered. Obviously, we don't know, and we don't get any information on this site. Other people are quite willing to talk, but we're just guessing. So yeah, you can see the truck actually is going to join the southbound. Is it going to join the southbound? Oh, it's going to swing onto the northbound carriageway. So yeah, hopefully the people are starting to realise this is here. We just saw the other traffic not noticing. So yeah, it's much better on the northbound. So yeah, the underpass really starting to take shape now. Both sides. And the Black Cat Roundabout. Well, soon it's going to have its flyover done, isn't it? and we'll be watching that flyover bridge being created. The next stage and the next big milestone will be when the traffic is diverted onto this lower bridge, the southern section of the new roundabout. That'll be the next key stage, won't it, to get the progress moving along. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll be bringing you footage of that over the next couple of months. Hopefully we'll have a nice dry winter and we keep the videos going on a weekly basis. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. And if you do see anything around the Black Cat Roundabout, do come over to Facebook, drop me a message on one of the posts. I had some pictures every Sunday, so make sure you let me know on there. I'm also grateful for everyone who does tell me that things are going on, cranes have arrived or beams have arrived. Very grateful for you all, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.